In this video, we will present the basics of using the robot. First of all, let's turn it on. Be careful to always handle the robot using the base and not the shell. The switch is located beneath it. Flip the robot, turn it on, and put it back on its wheels afterward. Wait for 30 seconds. Green lights will shine and the robot will rumble. This means it has booted correctly and now generates a Wi-Fi signal. Then it will blink white. That means it is waiting for the connection of the AlphAI software from the computer. If you don't observe those green then white lights, the batteries might be out of charge. Batteries have a charge capacity for about an hour and a half. To recharge the robot, turn it off and plug the cable from the back. You will see a green solid light. This means the robot is charging. The full charging time is about an hour. Once it is done, the green light turns off. If you need to use the robot over an extended period of time, you can simply change batteries. Before handling it, make sure the robot is turned off. Start by removing the shell. Pinch it using your fingers and pull it up. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove all 4 screws of the upper plate. Move it delicately to the side. You now have the access to the batteries. You can take them out and replace them. Be careful of the polarity. Make sure to place the plus sign of the battery to the plus sign of the case, and the same for the minus sign. Set the plate back in place, make sure to align the screw holes all together and put the screws back on. Put the shell back as well. It can be tricky because the shell must fit into the circumference of the bumper. You can start by placing the pointy ends at the front and then, while firmly holding them, slide the rest of the shell in place. When the shell is in place, you should hear a clicking noise. To make sure the shell is in place, hold the robot by this part and shake it a little while, holding a hand underneath. We will now show you in the next videos how to install the AlphAI software to make the robot work.